thinking about what is a city. And I really, walking in a street, stop in a plaza, you feel yourself, you know, in a different mood, you have a different attitude. This is quite interesting to find an analogy. What happens in a city as a space, a complex space, and what we are trying to recreate in interiors.
You know, we were working with Claudio Bellini, and I think the inspiration for the name was partly what it stood for, vertical intelligent architecture, but also this idea of via being street in Italian. Claudio had presented us with a thoughtful construct, a framework around the project that's called the city landscape. We have areas that are about traffic and transition and movement and are highly dynamic. And then we have places in our landscape, the rooms in the city, its buildings, that serve specific functions. We really thought a lot about the change that you experience as you move from that type of space into a more purposeful space. You know, thinking about how does it feel differently when you're inside? What's the experience as you cross the threshold? And what's the sense that you have about the other space, you know, from either inside or outside?
When you see a nice atmosphere, a different ambient, you feel immediately motivated. You say, oh, I would like to stay here, to stop to work in this place. So that's what we are trying to do, offer something that really allows architects, companies to generate trendy, dynamic spaces to work.
It was a really strong group of collaborators, and our role was really to be an advocate for all the people that were going to interact with the product, from specification to installation to use, to make sure that it was going to deliver an exceptional experience each time that somebody interacts with the product. We have a whole range of tools to be able to treat the walls in different ways, but also maintain the flexibility to come back and you know, take out a glass skin and put in technology, or take out technology and open it up as a window between two spaces. That flexibility just allows us to maintain this fluidity of space and product over time. VIA is going to be capable of hosting large-scale collaborative displays, content sharing, all those things we've made room for and we've planned for as part of VIA. We want architects and designers to feel like this is a product that empowers them to do things that can otherwise be challenging, expensive, or complicated. We want installers to feel like we've made their lives simple and they don't have to, you know, go to war with the surrounding architecture just to make a wall fit and be acoustically sound. And, you know, we want users to feel like they've been put into a permanent space. The level of precision and craft that the product delivers right out of the box, it's consistent, it's predictable, and it delivers against the promise over and over again. You just won't have that sense of frustration of things being out of alignment, you know, things not being flat as you look down a long corridor. You can count on the craft and the consistency of detail.
What I like a lot is that is no more a simple divider, is no more a simple wall, but is more and more is participating actively in working environment life.
VIA is more architecture than demountable wall by intent. VIA was designed with the intent of integrating that complete ecosystem, integrating the technology, integrating the furniture to create a single experience.